How to store bourbon the right way. Are you one of those who store their bourbon in a decanter? Well, not all of us can finish a bottle of bourbon in just one sitting. But the question is, are you confident that it will taste just as good once you store it in the cabinet for a couple of months? Let's find out how to store bourbon the right way. If you want more tips and how-tos, subscribe to Advanced Mixology. You can also click that notification bell so you can stay updated with the latest videos from us. We know that bourbon can get bad, so we need to find out how to store it to taste like the first time you opened it. Here are the 3 tips you need to remember when keeping bourbon. Tip number 1. Make sure the bottle of bourbon is tightly sealed. When oxygen is introduced into the alcohol, it changes the compounds and affects the flavor. When you've had several sips and your whiskey bottle is about 2/3 full already, surely you want to save it for the next drink hour. Transfer it to a smaller container or bottle and seal it tightly. This way, the oxidation will slow down since less air is incorporated into the bourbon. Tip number 2. Keep your bourbon away from sunlight. Ensure that your bourbon is stored in a dark and cool place so that the sunlight won't affect the drink. This prevents chemical reactions in the liquid that can degrade it, and the esters and flavor compounds will not be affected. Tip number 3. Monitor the temperature. Bourbon is best served on the rocks, so it does not need to be refrigerated. Make sure to place your bottle in storage at a consistent temperature between 66 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. A bonus tip for you is using a whiskey decanter. Most of us love to impress everyone with how stylish our decanters are. But just to give you a piece of advice, decanters don't help improve the bourbon's taste or flavor. Instead, its quality will start to degrade due to the introduction of air. So make sure you finish the bourbon in a short time. Was this video helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up or share some personal tips and tricks to your fellow whiskey enthusiasts in the comments.